Happy Monday. Speaking of Luther Family Ford, they provide us with this view of the I-29 corridor at the 32nd Avenue exit. A couple of flakes falling through the lights there, reinforcing the slippery here in town. But the last of a train of Alberta Clippers makes its way through on Friday. We'll have another one tomorrow, as a matter of fact, but Friday's promises to deliver a little bit more potent punch of mixed precipitation, snow, to be followed up by several days of Arctic cold. That's what makes it a first alert weather day, because of the impact being more region-wide and because long-lasting impacts. Clipper 1 is exiting. We're on the trailing edge of this. A few flurries still from that. Clipper 2 getting fired up in Saskatchewan, moving out of Edmonton right now. That's going to bring some snow showers that could impact some travel for us as we go through our Tuesday. There was number 3 last week. That one's staying out to the west. It looks like it's lower impact anyways, but this one coming out of the same area, Edmonton, Calgary, Alberta, moves in, and look at this. Rain, sleet, snow, Thursday night, moving west to east. So when we're heading to bed, this thing is really getting going. Likely want to be where you're going to be Thursday night, if indeed the track and timing stays on point as we get to the latter part of the week. The thing is, behind it, gusty north winds are going to usher down an Arctic blast of air that sticks around for several days. So more details on that as we go through the week. And on the Valley News Live weather app, we've got a series of videos there that you can watch for your hometown forecast with the latest. We'll keep those updated for you. 28 now at Hector, 16-mile-per-hour wind from the north-northwest. Here's a look at the satellite and radar. We do have some snow showers, mainly focusing on the Iron Range now, east of the Bemidji and Walker areas, but a little batch moving towards Bemidji. Looks like it's falling apart, but I will tell you, it's getting farther and farther away from the Mayville radar site. So this is kind of radar no man's land. The radar has a hard time seeing flakes flying in Bemidji and Park Rapids from shallow clouds like these. So snow showers continue to drift through our northwest Minnesota counties. Cool teens along the international border. We almost double those temperatures as we go down to South Dakota, where we're enjoying still near 30 degrees. By morning, gone is Clipper 1. Clipper 2 will be on the doorsteps of our western counties. So if you live in the Devils Lake Basin, Wells County, all the way through the Devils Lake area and into Nelson County, we'll have a chance for some snow showers in the morning, slippery roads. It moves into the valley for your midday hour, and then it pushes in the afternoon through northwest Minnesota. So most of our counties it is going to impact will be impacted by the afternoon drive. That will be a more widespread issue. Gusty winds will be shifty throughout the day, but become northwesterly for most, ushering in cooler air after a mild day again in southeast North Dakota. 1 to 2, maybe isolated areas getting a little bit more along and north of Highway 200. That's where the best chance will be. Otherwise, a trace as we go farther south, it'll become less impactful. Here's a look at your hometown temperatures. Cool north, a little milder south, still a shot at 30. Breezy northwest winds in the 3 o'clock hour will have our temperatures on a downward trend. The sights that you keep sharing with us, spectacular. Alexandra, thanks for sharing this near Pine Point in Becker County. Usually where there's one, there's a pack. Watch your chickens, but what a majestic sight. Here's a look at your planning forecast. Behind Clipper 2 here on Tuesday, again, 1 to 2 isolated places, getting a little bit more than that up north. We're going to have temperatures falling from 15 in the morning on Wednesday to 5. A cold one on Thursday morning, but we warm up ahead of our Friday Clipper. First alert weather day Friday, big time changes, morning commute issues, but that cold settles in, and it's Arctic, folks. Lows in the teens and 20s below, highs in the single digits below zero, and indications are it lasts almost all of next week. So that is why we've declared that first alert weather day. We'll keep you updated on how much snow, ice, all that can change a little bit between now and then.
Historically, we're kind of bottoming out with temperatures right about now, aren't we? We're kind of anything up on the upward trend?
We will be getting there, but this tells us we'll have to wait a little bit longer.
Yeah, all right.
Right.
Thanks, Hutch.
Yep.
Later here on Valley News Live at 6, one couple's life